Today we are bringing 3 patients into the pool. Not often do students get a chance to not only learn about the pool, but experience it and experience treating patients here.
You get like a sense of kind of fulfillment in a way that like you're helping them achieve their goals and things that they want to do and get back to, and you know that it means a lot to them, and so they're coming to you to help them get better.
So each week we actually learn a little bit more about things to put into our treatment sessions and to try out with our patients. So getting this hands-on experience means a lot because it's unique to this program specifically. It helps us prepare for not only our clinicals, but life outside of PT school, like after we pass our board exams and everything.
Actually being able to take what we learned and put it into like the real world, that's way more valuable for me than sitting in lecture. I definitely learn by doing, so being able to take what we've learned in lecture, actually apply it to the real world, that's just where the money's at for me.
It's so helpful because I feel like if most people with injuries, not just spinal cord, but like brain or stroke, if anybody can be introduced in something to where they can be hands-on for free without having to worry about insurance and like having, you know, the help from other students, that really helps us and it really benefits us because then we're just allowed to get stronger and stronger.
It feels more rewarding than I ever thought it would, just because we get to actually like put our hands on the patient and we are the ones making the treatment, deciding what we should do to further progress into bringing back their previous level of function and allowing them to get back to the life that they used to have.
So that is one of the best things that I see here is their confidence, their ability to reason and tell us why they're doing things, their ability to communicate with patients, come up with treatment ideas. It's just amazing.
It's been super great. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And I would continue on as long as they let me. As long as they keep inviting me back, I'll keep going back.